My name is Greg Harold, and I live in Florida, and in Central Florida, near Orlando, near the theme parks. I'm about a half an hour away from Orlando, so I function on Northeast Central Time. I graduated from New York University with the Bachelor of Science in Communication Studies in May of 2004, and this is my first semester at the University of New England. I'm currently an Associate Director of Marketing and Sales at Elder Care Resources Boston, which I currently sell online advertising space to the service providers to the elderly, such as nurses, doctors, and other healthcare providers for our aging population. My initial work was in higher education when I was in my 20s. I worked for Landmark College, which is one of two colleges that exclusively admits students with diagnosed learning disabilities, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and autism. Landmark is located in southeastern Vermont, and I worked there as an Associate Director of Admissions and Transfer Services Director. While I counseled students at Landmark, I became interested in working with people with disabilities. In my free time, I love to ski. At least when I was in Vermont, I love to ski, and I grew up in New Jersey, so I frequented Vermont, so I love to ski. I was fortunate enough to ski in Colorado, and California, and Europe, and British Columbia, but mainly I skied in the Northeast. I'm also an avid golfer, but what I mean by avid is that I attempt to golf. So, as you all may know, Florida is a haven for golfers, even for golfers like myself who can take 5 shots to get out of the nearest sand bunker. I'm excited that University of New England will provide me the appropriate education to understand and comprehend social work administration, so that I can help people with disabilities and advocate for their needs.